Welcome to Casetak. Let's get started by creating a new workspace. On the left panel, we see flows and models, which are the building blocks in Casetak. With flows, we can connect spreadsheets and design data transformation. With models, we can connect flows and schedule automatic updates. Let's build our first flow, where we merge data from two Excel files to one file. Say we have two sales representatives who have made their revenue budgets in two separate files, and now we need to consolidate them. If it's the first time you sign in, you will need to connect to either your Microsoft or Google account in order to use Excel or Google Sheets. Let's follow the steps here and connect to my Microsoft account. Now we can choose the Excel files from SharePoint. First, we load them to Casetak. We can clean up and transform the data if needed using a set of tools provided by Casetak. Then we merge the two tables via union function. And push the consolidated data to revenue budget. Instead of collecting data from spreadsheets, we can also load data directly from our integrations. Similar to Spreadsheet, Casetak will remind users to set up the integration first. Now let's select our integration. Let's choose General Ledger data from the last fiscal year. Next, we can perform data transformations if needed. For example, filter the data, parse the date, and sum up the data by month. And then push the actual data to our OPEX budget. Let's create another flow where we connect two Excel files. We take the same revenue budget Excel file from our first flow and connect it to our OPEX budget. We first choose the Excel file, then select Connect, then choose the file we want to connect to. Next, we choose the sheet that we want to create a dynamic copy of. Like this, revenue budget sheet is copied to OPEX file. Now we can use the revenue budget data as input to make operation expense budget. Every time revenue budget is updated, all we need to do is rerun the flow, and the OPEX file will be updated accordingly. Now that we have three flows, we can connect them and build our model. We can either add a plan, which serves as a folder, for example, for flows in different legal entities, or in this case, directly add flows. By connecting them, Casetak will run the flows in the respective order. The update status will be shown at Model Overview, as well as in each transformation node. We can also set a schedule for the model to run automatically for future updates.